What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, we are going to be reacting to the video, are the NHL 23 goal horns accurate? I have been playing a lot of NHL 2023, NHL 23. It's a really fun game. I played a little bit last week. Sometimes if I don't upload, that's probably why. Or I'm playing MLB The Show 23. That's been out for a while now. I haven't played that in a while. But hoping to get back into NHL 23. But NHL 23 is such a fun game. If you guys do have an Xbox, go buy it. It is very fun. NHL 24 will be here in September. So, yeah, let's get into this video. I'm going to be reacting. I'm going to be telling you, yes, this is it. These are the goal horns. I found this video, and I use this video all the time. I'm like, wait a minute. I refer to this video all the time, not in my videos, but, like, when I'm playing NHL 23. But pretty much all the time, I'm like, wait, is that goal horn actually? Like, it is, and then, like, it is, or is this the actual recording? But some of them are not accurate. So, I'm going to tell you, I'm going to actually react to this video. So, yeah, let's get into this. That's too much of a long intro. Good job. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. We can skip the intro here. Let's begin, yeah. So, as you can see, that was the Anaheim Ducks. That one, yeah, see, generic foghorn. Doesn't have the same bass or sound of the real horn. It is very inaccurate. I'm going to give that one a 4 out of 10. Or not even a 4 out of 10, like 0 out of 10 on that end, but yeah. This is how it should sound. That's how it should sound. Yeah, that's a better the actual how it should sound. I'm going to say that's it. On how it should actually sound is a 10 out of 10. Sometimes, but yeah. So that's how it should actually sound. That's way off. The first one was inaccurate. Yeah, I don't know why they keep showing this. But the one I'm really mad about is the Pittsburgh Penguins. No, that is also inaccurate. That is very inaccurate. Yeah, that's the Gila River goal horn to Mullet goal. They also did move to Mullet Arena. They moved to Mullet Arena, which is now which is a, hold on, let me check, Mullet, M-U-L-L-T. I believe it's home to the Sun Devils, so, the Arizona Sun Devils, so that's so they're playing in a college hockey arena, which I think is totally crap. That's why they're thinking about moving. Yeah, that's how it should sound. That's the Mullet Arena one.
2-1 Arizona.
Yeah, that's the Mullet Arena one. The one thing that makes me laugh about this video, I did forget to mention this in the beginning, but is that they just randomly pick, like, they have, like, Anaheim against somebody, and then they just go down. I guess, like, each team picks, like, who they play I guess it's, like, an alphabetical pick. I guess it's kind of stupid. Bruins. That is not inaccurate, right? Is that accurate? Yeah, that's okay. That is the exact recording of the Bruins. Yeah. Okay, yeah, that's a 10 out of 10, yeah. I didn't think that would be the Buffalo. That is very inaccurate. Very inaccurate. The actual recording from KeyBank Center. Second blast is too short. Sabres use 3 blasts, and I believe they play at... Where do they play now currently? Let me look. Hold on. Oh my god, that's MLB. Whoops, wrong. They don't play at KeyBank Center anymore. They play at, they play at, where is it? It's, oh, they do play at KeyBank Center. It's accurate actual recording from KeyBank Center. A second blast is too short, Sabres is 3 blasts. Yeah, I mean, it's accurate, but it needs a little bit of work.
Takes the drop pass, score!
Oh, shit, down, yeah.
Big Z. Zemgus Girgensson ties it at 2.
Zemgus Girgensson, yep. That's how it should sound. That's a little off. After the needs improvement, certain tones and real horn inaudible. Yeah.
And we're staying.
Yeah, how it should sound.
What a pass out of the corner by Lucci.
Yeah, that's how it should sound.
On the doorstep was Richie. Francouz had absolutely no help at all in the first Flames goal of the season.
This is Carolina. Outdated, yeah, that's a very outdated recording of from 2000s. Horn currently has more bass and sounds a little bit. Yeah, totally. That.
Washington's own nature.
Here's how it should sound.
They'll score on the rebound. Andrei Svechnikov.
Yeah.
Number 8 for 37, and the Canes have tied it at 2.
Yeah, that's how it should sound. Andrei Kasha. He's just a beast in franchise. Oh, I hate this one. Slightly off from the real horn, accurate but needs improvements. Yeah, there's a lot of them that are accurate but needs improvements.
Kane looking back door.
That's how it should sound.
Patrick Kane, who didn't have a goal in 13 games. How about that one? A bad angle rip. And this game is tied.
Yep. Yeah, that's what should sound.
Love the reaction of Kaner after.
Maybe EA will see this video next year and fix all the goal horns, make all the goal horns actually correct. Yeah, because I've played all these teams after before last time before the goal horn. Yeah, again, it's accurate but needs improvement. That's how it should sound. Yeah. Yeah.
And it's 2-0 Colorado.
Awesome. Yeah. Doesn't have the broken. Yeah. It's very inaccurate. Oh, and there's an ad.
Here's how to get started.
Yeah, that Columbus goal. Oh my god, not so rare. Awesome. By the way, so rare is just MLB thing. Don't even pay attention to that. It's kind of stupid. I've tried it. It's stupid. Off from the real horn doesn't have it goes. Yeah. I mean,
moving in, scores! Johnny, good roll.
Johnny Hockey.
Pass by Blankenberg, and the Jackets are back to within 1.
Yep. Dallas. Yep. That is not as crisp. Again, accurate, but needs improvements.
His pass finds Robertson, turnaround score! Pavelski the tip in front.
Yeah, that's how it should sound. Yeah, totally.
1:12 into the hockey game.
Joe Pavelski. Joe Pavelski is so old, but he's still so freaking good. So is Dallas. Dallas is still good. I mean, they made it to the Western Conference Final, but lost, so they had a heck of a year. I'm going to be doing probably here soon, grading all of the teams play at once. But yeah, it's the Joe Lewis from horn. Little Caesar's horn has a little slightly different sound. But yeah, very outdated. That's the J. That's the Joe.
Kubalik again across scores!
That's Little Caesar's. Joe Lewis is so. I don't think it exists anymore.
And Derek Lalonde fixed it, at least for now. Yeah.
Oh, I didn't. That's a little bit off. Not as powerful. This is the Rexall with horn. Horn has different sound. Well, there's just 2 blasts. Is that where they still play? Do they play at Rexall, please? Let me see. Oilers. That's too small. The Oilers. Let me find the Oilers. What's the name of their arena? Rogers Place. Oh, it's Rogers Place. This is, yeah. The horn they use in the game is Rexdal Place. It's Rogers Place now. Yeah, so, I mean, it still has the word place in it, but it's
McDavid.
Rogers Place.
That's all.
That's McDavid. Love him. I mean, sometimes I can't stand him, sometimes I like him. I just have a love-hate relationship with, sometimes I have a love-hate relationship with Connor McDavid. I mean, Crosby's my favorite guy, obviously. Crosby and McKinnon are my two favorites. So, the one matchup that I got in this game, in the Stanley Cup Final, was Crosby against McKinnon, and I was happy. Swept the Avs, did the draft, did not get Connor Bedard, unfortunately, went to the Coyotes, but I did get a really good, better team. If you guys want me to do some NHL content, NHL 23 content on the channel, I will add some NHL 23 content to the channel. Yeah, okay, hold on. And, if you guys want me to do, comment below and say yes, do some NHL 23 content, or no, do not. This is, like, probably the only part, because there's, like, nothing here really to talk about. I mean, the game 2 is tonight, so if you guys are going to watch that, let me know in the comments below, who do you think is going to win? If you guys haven't seen my Stanley Cup Final predictions video, go give that a watch before you watch this, because this probably won't be up a bit, but now let me get back into this. Florida Panthers. That was a little bit of a tangent there. Yeah, accurate recording. This is the accurate recording of the Florida Panthers. Yeah, exact recording. Yep. Now the Kings is not really, that one's off. I mean, that's not as powerful, not as powerful as real horns. Accurate, but needs improvements. Come on, EA. You can't be screwed up horns like this. Come on, EA.
Behind the net, out in front. Off the feed from Kopitar.
Yep.
Oh, did the captain show patience there? The equalizer.
Kevin Fiala. Yep. Adrian Kempe. Got my boy Greenbar number. Not as powerful as Will Horn. First blast should be longer, missing siren. Yeah, missing the siren. Yeah, they do have the siren in there. I did forget about that. A lot of teams have the siren, so it's kind of hard to keep track who has the sirens and who does not.
Waiting, and scores! What a play by Matt Boldy!
Yeah, Matt Boldy, that dude is a beast. God is that guy good. Matt Boldy, he is so good. Man, is he a beast. Jeez. Canadian. No, that's not as powerful as, bad recording of the horn. Accurate, but needs improvement. Yep, yet again. That's Canadian from Montreal. That's how it should sound. Yep.
And it's 1-0 Montreal.
That's how it should sound.
Well, this play is started by...
Nope, that's accurate, but needs improvements. And there's another ad. FanDuel Casino.
Are you there?
The heck are these ads? Old horn, current horn has found unless not tuned, it's very outdated. Yeah, this is very outdated.
Off the post, rebound, score! Forsberg! That's number 40!
Yeah. That one's a little bit off. Missing some of the tones the real horn has. Accurate, but needs some improvement. Yeah.
Cutting to the net, he just scores!
Yeah.
Off the feed from Palmieri, Devils get the lead right back. What a response by the top line for the Devils. After Arvidsson ties it up, and this
Damian Severson. Do the circle. The one Devils player I like is Yegor Shengarovich. I like him. He's kind of good. Islanders batted downright horrible. Yeah, that's the Barclays horn. UBS Arena has a different sound to it. It's very outdated. That's the Barclays horn. UBS Arena is nope. It's a little bit different. Here's how it sounds.
To the front, shoots and scores.
What is that? See, that's like more crisper. It's a little bit more crisp than what.
Yeah, real smart play by Josh Bailey as he got in on the forecheck, took a really good angle, and stole the puck.
You in? Alright, this is the Rangers. This is the Rangers. Yeah, exact according to the Rangers. Yeah, accurate. All of these are either, yeah, some of them been like a 6 out of, that's been a 0 out of 10. Come on, that's on that one. The Rangers and the Bruins. Okay, that's another 10 out of 10. That's exact. Accurate according to exact. According to the Thunder. And then you got the Flyers, yeah, man. Bad recording. The roll horn is more broken. Honest roll horn accurate, but it needs improvement. It needs some work. It's not bad. It's bad, but not too bad.
The sweet setup from Konechny, and it's tied at 1.
Yeah, see, it's like this is the one that really ticks me off. Is this one? How do you screw up the Pittsburgh? EA just really ticks me off. See, Pittsburgh Penguins. As in terms of the real horn, not as crisp as real horn. Yeah, accurate, but even. Like, come on, EA. Can't you make that be the exact recording of the Penguins? Let the Penguins do. I feel like EA needs to go to every single game before they make their real horns, and just actually, or even just find videos and even put like the actual goal horns into the game. They need to make like the actual goal horns, put them into the game, so it's much better. I mean, whatever. That's how it should sound.
The feed from Crosby, the magic of those two, making it 1-0.
That one's powerful, see? Powerful like
Crosby read that.
San Jose. Not as powerful as real horn. Real horn has shorter blast, not much bass. As real horn. Accurate, yeah, because you know that accurate needs. But that one I like. I like the Sharks. But I think in general this Sharks horn, it sounds like a boat horn. Sounds like a really long, screwed up boat horn. See, it sounds like a boat horn a little bit.
Swedes to the left, Swedes to the right. First Hedman, now Carlson, and it's 1-1.
Seattle. That's accurate. Yeah, not as powerful as real horn. Yeah, I totally just said that.
Veneers to the forehand with a shot. He scores!
Yep. Matty, oh, again, another really good, really good. He was I think he was a rookie this year. Let me look. Matty Beniers. Let me see. Hold on. Matty Beniers. Let me look up Matty Beniers. Were you a rookie this year? 20 years old. What the heck? No, you were a rookie last year. Okay, so you played 80 games this year. Okay. Matty Beniers this year, 24 goals, in 80 games played, he had 24 goals, 33 assists, 57 points, and a 16.2 and 16.2 shooting percentage. A plus-minus of 14. So his plus-minus this year was much better than last year. Last year he had a -1. 2 PEM, PPG 4, PPP of 10. No SH, 0 SHGs, 1 SHP, 4 game-winning goals, 1 overtime goal, 148 shots, a face-off FO percentage of 42.21, and save percentage of, or shooting percentage of 16.2. Yeah, so he had pretty good numbers this year. Smatty Beniers. He's not a rookie this year. He's doing all of those, but the numbers I just read off to you at 20 years old. I'm a year older than him. I'm going to be 22 this year. He'll be 21. He's not even 21 and 22 years old. He'll be 21 in November. And oh my god. He's 20 years old. What the heck? That one's broken. Broken, it needs that, yeah. Inaccurate, horn is too long. Too broken. Their boss is too long. Not as powerful as yeah.
Trying to get to the slot.
If you guys want to see me make a video just talking about the Seattle Kraken and their season this year, I will. It'll probably be one video.
Rebound, they score! And
Noah Chari. First of all, I didn't even know he was on this team. On the book. Weird pitch shift, poorly extended. Let's say mitt. Mitt as powerful or crisp as real horn. Accurate but needs improvement. Yeah, it's not. Yeah, this team's accurate. It needs improvement. Without free shot. Yeah, that's broken. It's like a broken. That one. I mean, that one. What a shot here. Oh, Matthew, that was not one of those best shot qualities. Yeah, accurate but needs improvement. Bad quality, not as crisp or powerful as the horn.
Into the slot. Fires! Captured goal for the captain! It is 5-2.
Yeah, again, here's the teams. Hold on. Vancouver, not as powerful as Horn, a missing tone, or a little too bassy. Yeah, yeah, see, that's how it should sound.
Power play goal.
Vegas. The team I'm rooting for in the Stanley Cup Finals. Yeah, shit balls. That was crisp but powerful. Inaccurate blast pattern. Accurate but needs improvement. Yeah. Needs a lot of work.
Goal season in the Ontario League. Hayes with a wrist shot and he scores. Nice look finding Jack Hayes out high. And he snaps it by Johansson. And the Golden Knights strike first.
Yep. That's how it should sound. Washington. Only 20 time Horn has different sound now. Two glasses. Caps do not use the star anymore. Thank God. Thank God the stupid Caps do not use that horn, that siren anymore. I hated that. That was very, very outdated. Yeah, I don't like their siren. I used to hate their siren. That siren was a pain in my you-know-way.
Inside Brown.
It was not It was just, I was annoyed in the they used it in I think they used it in 2016-17, or 2016, when they faced my Penguins in the second round, and eventually the Pens went on to win the Cup 2016-17, obviously, duh.
Connor Brown!
Yeah, Connor Brown. Yeah, accurate reporting of projections. Yep, that is the exact. For some reason, many of the horns still have not been updated. I recommend using some live horns like what done with Buffalo this year. Yeah, a lot of them need to be updated. This person recommends using clean live recordings of the horns, like what was done with Buffalo this year. Yeah. I do want to say this real quick. The Penguins did hire, they did get, what's his name? Kyle Dubas. He will be our president of hockey operations up until he's going to do the draft and he's going to do the free agency. And after that, once that's done, we will probably get a GM. I don't know who the heck our GM. Yeah, so that's it on this, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, leave a like, subscribe, and then thanks for watching. To see more of this kind of content, remember, leave a like, subscribe to the notification bell, add me on Snapchat at Wacko730, follow me on Twitter. Also, in the comment section of this video, let me know who you think is going to win the Stanley Cup final. Who's going to win the Stanley Cup? Is it going to be Vegas? Is it going to be Florida? Who do you think it's going to be? I think it's going to be Vegas in 6. I mean, Vegas is up 1-0. Vegas could take that 2-0 series lead tonight. And then Game 3 in Florida on Thursday. And then Saturday would be Game 4. Next Tuesday would be Game 5. Wait. No. Hold on. Game 5 would be, not next Tuesday, I'm sorry. Saturday. So after Saturday. Yeah, it would be next Tuesday, the 13th would be Game 5. And then Wednesday, Thursday, and then the Game 6 would be Friday the 16th. And then Game 7 would be Monday the 19th. So 2 weeks from today would be Game 7 of the Stanley Cup Finals. That is, 5, 6, and 7 are always, if necessary. I feel like Games 5 and 6 will be necessary. I feel like it'll end in 6. I mean, you never know what could happen. Well, the next 2 games will determine whether there's a Game 5 and 6. But I feel like the Panthers are going to make it it'll be 2-1 heading to Game 5, heading to Game 4. But yeah, I don't know. Anyway. If you guys see you all, yeah, so that's how I'm going to end this. I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of stuff. I will do more of this kind of stuff on the channel if you guys want me to. So yeah, remember, leave a like, subscribe to the notification bell, add me on Snapchat at Wacko730, follow me on Twitter, I have all my socials. Bye, and I will see you all next time. See you all again for another video. Peace!